Please bookmark and forward. Materials and tools preparation. First, self-adhesive wallpaper. Second, measuring tools, such as a tape measure. Third, scissors or cutting tools. Fourth, wall cleaner and cloth. Fifth, wall repair material, such as filler. Sixth, rubber scraper. Seventh, wet cloth or sponge. Steps. First, ensure the wall surface is clean, smooth, free of dust and grease. Repair any defects on the wall with filler. Second, measure the dimensions of the wall using a tape measure. Cut the wallpaper to the desired size using scissors or cutting tools. Third, peel off the backing paper. Fourth, carefully place the self-adhesive wallpaper on the wall, ensuring alignment with the wall. Start from the top and gradually adhere the wallpaper downwards. Fifth, use a rubber scraper to gently press down the edges of the wallpaper to ensure a secure bond. Trim any excess wallpaper with a knife or scissors. Sixth, carefully cut and trim the wallpaper at corners and electrical outlets using a knife or blade. Seventh, wipe the surface of the wallpaper with a wet cloth or sponge to ensure no adhesive residue or bubbles remain. Follow me for more tips on home improvement.